Today we are making Kaju Masala, a rich and flavorful curry with perfect hotel-style taste. Crispy cashews, creamy gravy and aromatic spices, when they come together, it's royal delight on your plate. No paneer, no fancy veggies, no complicated prep or heavy ingredients. Just a simple recipe with next level flavor. Whether it's a dinner party or just a regular dal chawal day, this Kaju Masala will instantly turn any meal into something special. So let's get started with a recipe that's a royal, simple and above all truly unforgettable. So let's begin the preparation for a rich and creamy gravy. I have kept water to boil, and once it starts bubbling, we will add 30 to 50 cashews, 3 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, 3 dried red chilies. Boil all this together on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes, just until the cashews turn soft and onions lose their rawness. Then strain the water, pour some cold water over them to cool quickly and pat dry. Transfer everything to a mixture jar, add half a cup of milk and blend it into a smooth fine paste. Look at that creamy texture, just the base we need for that luscious hotel style curry. Now let's move on to the star ingredient, the cashew. Heat about 4 to 5 tablespoons ghee in a pan. Once it warms up, add 1 cup cashews and roast them on low flame, stirring continuously until they turn golden and crispy. Keep the stove flame on the lowest setting. Do not turn it up even slightly, otherwise the cashews will burn. Cashews already have high oil content, and frying them on high flame makes them heat up quickly and turn dark brown. So we need to be very careful here. Once you see light brown spots starting to appear on the cashew, immediately turn off the flame and quickly remove the cashews from the hot ghee. Transfer them to a separate plate and place them under a fan to cool. Now in the same hot ghee, we will add 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped. And for whole spices, we will add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 1 small piece of cinnamon and 5 green cardamoms. Now gently stir everything together and saute the onion until they turn translucent. This should take about 1 minute on medium flame with continuous stirring. Once the onions are translucent, we will add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon finely chopped green chilies. Saute both for a few seconds. As soon as the garlic starts releasing its aroma, add 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger. Cook the ginger for few seconds too, just until the raw smell goes away. Now add 2 tomatoes finely chopped, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder and half tablespoon cumin powder. Now first mix all these dry spices well with the tomatoes. After mixing, let everything cook on low flame for a few seconds, so the rawness of the spices goes away and the masala starts to release the oil. Keep stirring occasionally so that the masala doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. If you feel like masala is drying out or starting to burn, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and saute well to prevent sticking and ensure proper roasting. Now that the masala is well cooked and releasing oil, we will add cashew onion paste we prepared earlier. Along with that, add fried cashews, salt to taste, half tablespoon of homemade garam masala, 1 tablespoon dried kasuri methi, and bit of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now adjust the gravy thickness by adding water according to how thick or thin you want the curry to be. We don't want the gravy to be too runny, so we will add just 1 cup of water here to maintain a rich and creamy consistency. After adding the water, mix everything well once again. Then cover the pan and let it cook on low flame for about 10 minutes so all the flavors come together beautifully. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and you will see the gravy has thickened perfectly to that rich creamy consistency we wanted. Now to finish, we will add 1 tablespoon of butter, some finely chopped fresh coriander and 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. This will give the curry a smooth, luxurious finish. And that's it, your restaurant style Kaju masala is ready, rich in aroma, bold in flavor and made effortlessly at home. When this dish hits the dinner table, everyone's going to say, now that's what you call royal food. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and drop a comment below. And for more such royal recipes, make sure to subscribe.